Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement Private Limited, and in this video we will learn that how translate option can make your life very easier in this latest version of Microsoft Office Word 2019 or Microsoft 365 subscribed version. I'm using a Windows desktop version of this Word application. So let me just get started that how we can do translation, because in the previously or the traditional way of translating the documents is to copy the text and going to a website where we can do the translation, and commonly most of the users use Google Translate. But now within the Microsoft Office application we have the translate option available, and that is available in the review tab. So when you click on review tab, you will find a language group in which you will find a translate feature available. So let me just write a sentence for you. For example, today is a rainy day. Okay, and let me just increase the font size so that you can see easily. So today is a rainy day and I need to convert this specific English sentence into Urdu, for example. That is my local language in Pakistan as a national language. So today is a rainy day and I want to convert it in Urdu. So I have selected this text and I will go to review tab and I will click on translate, and I will then click on translate selection. So when I click on this feature, on the right side the translator navigation pane will open, and it's auto detecting that this specific sentence is written in English language and which language is required to translate this sentence. So from this drop down menu I can select I have a lot of languages available, and the national language of Pakistan, which is the Urdu, is also available. So I will click on Urdu, and automatically you can see now this sentence has been translated. आज एक बरसात का दिन है, और टुडे इज, अगर हम सेंटेंस चेंज करें, वी इफ वी गोना चेंज द सेंटेंस, सो टुडे इज रेनी डे एंड देन इट सेज आज बरसात का दिन है. So as soon as I click, if I find the sentence correctly translated, so I will click insert button, and you can see that your sentence has been now translated very easily. So you don't need you don't need to actually learn typing in Urdu now. In the earlier days, in the previous years, when we need to have subject matter expert who can write Urdu faster, so I don't think so that for the very beginner user it's now needed. And I remember that I used to use InPage software where we have different kind of Urdu fonts available, and I need to find out the words in Urdu, where are they located on the keyboard now. But with the increased advantage in the technology, Microsoft has given us this translator available within the latest version of Microsoft Word. And one more demonstration which I need to show you is, for example, if I have a new document of Word and in which I have some paragraphs, so I need to convert this entire document into Urdu language, for example, or any other language. So translation is very appropriate solution for you. Instead of going to the external site or taking help from the other person who know how to write the Urdu, you can easily do that. So I have selected the entire document, all the text available which is in English. I have click on review tab, I will click on translate option and translate document. And on the right side, if you can see, there's a translator navigation pane. Now from auto detect, which is English, and you need to select the language you want to convert that. So I will select Urdu in my case, and I will click on translate. So within a matter of few seconds your entire document has been translated. But one thing, make sure that you should give this document to the other person so that he can proofread that document, in order to that translation is generating the same meaning which was in the previous language as well. So I hope you like this feature. Thank you so much.